Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including those masks that you lament buying. Let's open this up and test it. So I've seen this bag before for sure, and it didn't have Lement on it. But what's interesting is that the quality certificate I was just glancing at does say Lement, so they're claiming that's the actual manufacturer. Very weird. It still may have a good PFE score though. This is a PFE machine, Particulate, Filtration, Efficiency Testing Machine. We do the N95 test here, which is the same as or almost the same as the KN95 test. So I mentioned just a second ago that this is not a legitimate KN95. It's saying, hey, KN95, imported KN95. This mask efficiency is over 95%. Oh, good, the 3D structure. Here we go again. What's with the 3D? It is in the real world. Okay, so I'm saying it's not a real KN95. So what does that mean? Well, the KN95 standard requires a couple things. You got to say KN95. You got to say the standard title, which is right here, GB 2626-2019. That's got to be printed on the mask. On the bag isn't good enough because you need to, before you don or before you put on the mask, you have to be able to see how recent that standard is. And that's the most recent standard. You also need the manufacturer name. In this case, Lement, no Lement. So they're missing those things. Now, I would say about half the time when a manufacturer is doing a fake KN95 here, on this machine, it plays out that they don't come up with a good score. So for me, a trick is if it doesn't say all of those things I just told you, the manufacturer name, KN95, GB 2626. If it doesn't say that on the mask itself, that is a quick test to just move on to another mask. There are plenty other masks, plenty other fish in the sea, if fish are masks, and in this analogy, they are. You can see here, like, it shows you what the mask looks like before you buy it. And so it's very obvious that this is not meeting the standard. Though, once these YouTube videos just blow up, like, I'm gonna change the way manufacturing is done. Probably not. So, does it protect you? That's what this machine tests. Now remember, the 95 in KN95 stands for 95%. So this needs to test at 95%. There you go. Got one. 81.972. 81.972. Breathability on this thing was off the charts, which is 1Q if it's going to be not going to meet standards. So it was 86 pascals. Anything below 150 is really good, but 86 is insane. Now we have seen a couple today, surprisingly, that had above 95% and were in the 50 pascal range, which I didn't even know was possible. But generally speaking, like, this is a breathable mask, but it's not really going to protect. I would choose a different mask if I were you. And I'll do the quick test here to see the breathability. It is very extremely breathable, and the smell's not that bad. I mean, well, actually, wait, I take that back. It smells like the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Oh, wait, that's what I had for lunch. Never mind. All right, I will catch you on the next test. Thank you so much for watching.